Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to follow people on Roblox. So first is first, you need to open your Roblox and then make sure you're logged into the correct account right here. Go to the search icon and then search the username of that person or account that you want to follow. Make sure that you have tap on the people, not experiences, or tap on people. Then after that, you should see the list of the people with that username here once you tap on people. All you need to do in order for you to follow people on Roblox is to make sure that this is their account. So you can tap on any account right here, for example, this one. And then after that, you have to locate the three dots once you visit this account's profile. But most of the cases, there are accounts that you can see the follow or unfollow option. In that way, you have to message them first. So for example, another account right here, tap this one, tap on the three dots, and you should see the follow button. All you have to do is to follow that. And basically that's it. You can do this to couple of accounts that you want to follow. And that's how easy it is to follow people on Roblox. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.